Hi guys, what is up? Today we're back on this world, and I'm really excited. We're gonna be trying to make the ender portal. I don't know what happened here, but that is kind of weird because it's like upload. I think it got in glitch. Well, okay. First, since you're gonna need, I already got a whole setup. That it's an end portal, and then I have end door. Okay. Let's get started. Last time, one of my dogs came in, but my dog's back now. Yeah, my dog. Okay, so you always have to they're not facing all the same way. It's not gonna work. So you stay in the middle. The trick is. Most people do it, but it doesn't work because they're not in the middle, but this will probably work. Let's try it after you. Because everything needs to be facing the same way as all of it. That's after you can just turn, but still. And then, like that. Whoops. Then then that, then there we go. That's how you make an ender portal. If you want and you don't believe me, I can show you. Don't know why my dogs are here. But I'll get them out. Okay. If you guys don't believe me, I will show you. I'm not. There's the ender dragon that's here. Wait a minute. Last time I killed it. Whoops, but yeah, I killed it this time. I have not grown yet. I killed it with one of my friends. I haven't grown back yet. Oh. Sorry, guys. Oh! Ender dragon! Right over here. But he's stuck. Something. Do you need any help? Sorry here, but stuck. Oh. Hi guys.